kasi hanggang na yung pag-travel niya. Gana baby namin. I need to po. Ayan. Check natin kung may snow pa. Oh no, so snowing. Ayan. Ang lamig guys, super lamig. Guys nila is mahaba-haba. Parang hindi siya tulad sa atin sa Pinas na yung paglugawin mo. Yung lata-lata talaga siya. Ano yung lata-lata? Ayan. Kagabi kasi naghingi siya. Kasi wala siyang masyadong kain. Yung nag-travel kami. Tapos nagsuka siya kahapon. Ayun. Parang nag-acid reflux kasi panay lang ng didi. Ayaw yung kumain. Kaya ayan. Hintayin natin magising si madam. Good evening! Hindi pa rin siya gising. Still sleeping the whole day. Sleep siya the whole day. Kumain lang tapos sleep na agad. Ayun. Hi! Good morning now. Because her sleeping is Philippine time. That's why. Whole day talaga siya nag-sleep. Hello. So it's time to wake up. So you will be going to wake up the whole night.
Tatang?
Tonight? Oh no.
Tatang?
Tatang? Work tatang. Yeah. She's still missing now, mahal. Daddy. She's still looking some people. Yeah? You want to call Tatang? Tatang is at work. You wanna call Tatang? Good evening, love, love. Come on, let's eat now. It's dinner time here. Oh no, so you will be wide awake later in the evening because you sleep the whole day. Too much exhausted, you're drained. Yeah, of travel. So you're recovering and coping up, right? Daddy buy something for you. Come on, up now. You wanna eat?
No.
Ano no, not yet. Okay. Oh no! Fall on the floor? So get energy, really got energy now. Still messing hair from last night party. Need to clean, but still so tired, right? Okay, mommy will prepare your eat. Prepare for dinner. Hindi pa kami naka-grocery. Daddy was grocery but little. Need to eat rice. Kasi hindi nga siya kumakain. Sit down. Po. Sit down with go. Egg. Wait, mommy will. Oh yeah, it's ini. It's ha. Ini and ha. Come on.
Mama.
Later. Just eat that first. Parang 2 days ako hindi kumain ng rice. Good job.
Okay, that's
Come
gonna
on.
go backwards. That's
Okay.
forwards. Okay. Okay, step here.
Tapos na siyang kumain. Medyo maraming kinain niya. Naka-recover na siya. Wow, good job. Careful. Watch out. Oh no, you're trapped.
Stop.
You trapped.
Stop. Okay, push backwards. Okay, now.
You trapped.
Push. Whoa! Stop.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Come here.
Hey,
Come here. Come over here,
Not
mommy.
forward.
Come
Not
here, over here,
forward.
mommy.
Okay, push.
Come over here.
Push.
Excuse
With
the
your foot.
background.
With your foot.
Hindi pa ta nakalinis from party last night.
Go. Go.
Come on,
Go.
come on.
Forward.
Forward, forward.
Mom.
Help, daddy,
Now
help.
push with your foot. Right here. Right here.
Wow, come on, me. More on. Oh, more, more, more.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at you go.
Good job. You know how to You know how to liko-liko. What is liko-liko? Mahal?
Okay, go. Go.
You don't feel see the cold never bother me. Come on, go, go. Let it go.
Let it go. Let it go.
Come on.
Let it go. Let it go.
Come on.
Let it go.
Sing. Oh, daddy, you have to
Daddy
let it
does
go
this.
too.
Let it go. Let
Come
it
on.
go.
Go.
Let it go.
No
Let it
more
go.
na. No more let it go.
Go. That's you. Go.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Me, the good girl, I always have to be. Let it go.
Let it go. Let it go.
Ah.
Can't hold back anymore. Come on.
Let it go.